Welcome back to my channel, guys. What's up? Nathan Adams here, as always. Now, on this video, get here. I'm Bit Boy. Bit Boy's with me as well. Gotcha. Sorry. Anyway, Kamehameha. Don't make me go a one-punch man.
Jewelry in the middle of it?
No. Oh my god, we're just... Anyway, what I said at the beginning of this video was a bet on him. He betted that I want to do it. If you make bets with me,
He does it.
I'll do it.
Anything it is.
Anything is that I can, like, actually do. Like, if you bet that I won't do a front flip, I won't. I mean, I can't. I'm fat. I can't. Not as fat as this one,
Fucking cut and flap.
Anyway, what I said was, viewers' discretion is advised. For reasons I have no freaking clue. Yeah, it was just that. So. Anyway, what was the video topic? Clearance? You called
Okay.
clearance? What is the definition of clearance?
Clearance. AKA clearance.
Clarence?
Clearance, what is it?
Clarence? One of the four swords of power. With the power of fire, which is chaotic evil. If you don't know what that reference is, look up Clarence, Excalibur, Joyous, Durandal.
Oh!
Those are the four swords of powers from Nicholas Flamel and the Secrets of the Immortal Nicholas Flamel by Michael Scott. I'm pretty sure most people will have trouble trying to remember who wrote it, but Michael Scott. Scotty. I don't know. Probably because I am Scottish.
You fucking weak cunt.
Hey, you're the weak cunt. Bring me up, Scotty. What do you expect? You're dealing with an autistic person here. Anyways, wow, 3 minutes of absolutely just jackassery. Now, I have to have an actual point here. Like, okay, that video with Bib Boy over there is having fun, but there is such a thing as having too much fun. Like, if you have too much fun, people won't take you seriously.
For real. Trust me, I know.
See, he knows.
Because my mom, I mess with her too much now. She doesn't really trust me that much.
Anyways, aside from that note, having too much fun can cause people not to trust you or not believe in anything you say. That goes, actually, no, that's lying. But people who have too much fun can be too joking. Like, nobody will take them seriously.
Just like the Joker.
Yeah, just like the Joker. I don't know, it's from Injustice 2.
Where's Rachel?
No, you're doing that wrong, kids. Where is she? Rachel!
Rachel was?
Yep.
I don't know.
I don't know either. Anyway, back to my point.
You gonna say anything about this word?
Safety pins.
No.
Safety! Safety! Yeah!
Safety is #1 priority.
Anyway. See, like, we're having too much fun, okay? And when we're trying to be serious, people will think we're just messing around like always.
Where the fuck is... Oh, you fucking cunt.
See? But if you actually get to know the person, you can actually tell if they're joking or not. Like how they're... You're the weak hump. Anyways, if you have, like I said, if you have too much fun, it will cause people to think you're... Yeah.
They'll think you're a dickhead.
Yeah. Anyway, as I was saying, if you actually get to know the person, you'll know when they're joking and when they're being serious, along with if they wear a mask of happiness. You can tell that there's something wrong. Example 8.
Fuck you, cunt.
Now, if you get really good at hiding your emotions, eventually you'll lose them. And trust me, that ain't good. Not one bit.
Extremely, because I know that kind of actually.
We both do. Now, anyway, like I said, we have too much fun. But this is gonna be like a serious video. Trying to be serious video. Anyway, he's out the pitch, damn it. Ain't not my fault. Okay, he's gone. God, what the fuck is up with my hair? Anyway, besides the point, like I said, too much fun can be bad, but still, if you don't have fun, then you'll be one of those people that don't know how to have fun, like, who is a good example of really got the ball again? Anyway, who is an example of a person who does not know how to have fun?
Who does not know how to have fun?
Yeah. True Mage 38. Also known as Sky Cancer. Josh.
Huh? Oh, yeah.
Yeah, he really does not know how to...
He doesn't know how to live, either.
Yeah. He's 20, lives with his mother. His mother's psycho. Like, crazy.
I met her the other night, too, actually.
I actually have her number.
Oh, wow.
Yeah.
So if he makes you any trouble, you just call her?
Oh, big time. Anyway.
I'm not doing it.
Good, because I would pull a Tanner. And if you... Yes, we're going back into the 8 minutes. Anyways, as I was saying before, if you don't have fun, people will think you're like just boring. Nope. Like basically boring. You need to have fun, but there's also a side effect of having too much fun. So you need like a balance between the two. And that's really the main point of this. Having balance between fun, not fun, and seriousness. Because if you have too much of one thing,
It'll lead to a disaster.
Yeah, we'll basically end to a disaster. Now, holy crap, we're at the longest video ever. Heck yeah.
Oh.
Yeah. Haven't gone that far yet.
I have.
No, you haven't. You got streams.
Well, yeah, streams are longer. It's supposed to last longer than the recordings.
Oh, but that's not.
But to a certain extent, for certain stuff.
For a certain extent, certain stuff.
Like video games.
Mm-hmm.
That's what I'm mostly going to be doing. For now, it's just kind of vlogs.
Yeah, it's basically
Since I have crappy
vlogs.
internet, I'm not going to try to live stream a game because then I'll just lag it out and stuff.
Mm-hmm. Unless you have like 2 separate internet things.
Yeah.
So, Yeah, it would work. But it will also be more costly. Unless you have like a roommate to help pay for it.
True. But if you have like 4 or 5 people, move out. At least live with 2 others, or at least 1 other.
Yeah, maximum of 3 people.
Yeah.
That includes yourself.
Yep.
So you...
And 2 others, or at least 1 other, rather, is okay.
Either 2 or 3 people living in that house.
Yes.
Like this guy soon in the future. With me.
Yeah.
And also Zetan. He has a construction background, which was really good. And he actually knows how to get around a computer a little. Like with webcams. Which is, I found out, does work. But it's like ass shit. I'm gonna do something about that. Anyway, that's basically the main point of this video. Have fun, but not too much fun, people.
Extremely, because if you have too much fun, it could lead to disaster. Not enough fun, more than likely will not lead to a disaster. Unless if you're a troublemaker, then you're both ways. Either way, it's going to lead to
That's
disaster.
another thing I'm going to cover. But that will happen in the next video.
Oh, don't forget about bully prevention.
That will happen in the next video. Anyway,
in the video after the next one.
Until then, this is Nathan. I'm saying peace out.